Hello, this is Andrew Henigman with Minnesota State University Mankato. I'm here today to give you a virtual tour of our program. Minnesota State University Mankato is located in Mankato in the southern half of Minnesota. We also have two satellite programs, one called Twin Cities Engineering and one called Iron Range Engineering. Today, I'd like to show you a virtual experience of touring the Iron Range Engineering program. Here at Iron Range Engineering, we share a campus with a local community college in the northern part of Minnesota in Virginia, Minnesota. The area we're walking through right now is a newer section of the campus that was built for Iron Range Engineering. You'll see here that we are in our Fabrication Lab. The Fabrication Lab houses equipment that allows us to prototype, to test theories, to do design, and support the learning that our students do. We have a number of different areas that projects can be stored. We have supplies available for our students and CNC machines as well as a water jet. We're walking through right now a location that our student project teams that work on real industry projects have offices, both on this first floor and second. The wall that we're looking at right now is dedicated to the pioneer students who came to our program in the very first group that started 10 years ago. The other plaque that we just saw is dedicated to those who helped start it. And these plaques on the wall are all dedicated to those students who graduate from our program, and we will continue to memorialize those graduating students. We are now in the modeling lab, where we have lasers, sublimation equipment, 3D printers, 3D scanner, a number of different electronic devices such as function generators, resistors, capacitors, soldering stations. We also have virtual reality in this room and sometimes have used it as a classroom. Where we're walking now connects to the hallway that we are in, but we are now walking to the seminar room. The seminar room is where a number of our classes are held, and where at the beginning of a week, the on-campus portions of our program occur. The posters on the walls, along with everything in this room, really symbolize different aspects of our program. One of which is the bell that you may have seen in our logo at the start of this video, but that bell rings anytime a student gets a job. So that bell really has a lot of significance for us and represents both the start of the journey, the start of the semester, and the end of a student's educational career in their undergrad when they get to ring it themselves loudly for everyone to hear, representing the start of an engineering career. This area we're in right now is called the lounge. This is a student area and faculty area that we use to take breaks, grill, have food, have dinners, food being a very significant part of our program. The countdown clock on the wall signifies how many days are left till the end of the semester. This area here is the faculty office for the upper division engineering students at Iron Range Engineering. The room that we are walking into now is our first year room. The first year engineering students are actually through Itasca Engineering, which is another partnership that we have. So you'll notice the theme is that we partner with a number of different educational institutions to make this program feasible. These are some of the lower division projects that get worked on. So all of our students from the start of their educational career with us to the end work on real industry projects. The posters that you see along the wall here are upper division projects that are currently going on. This hallway is a hallway that goes to the Mesabi Range campus section. This area is also part of the IRE program, and these are some meeting rooms, lounge area. The door that I'm about to open now is our recording studio. So we do a number of remote delivery methods and programs with our department, and that is one of the areas that we film. And these are some more offices. This is a classroom that we call the fishbowl. Right in front of us is the entrance to the theater. We won't go in there in this video. However, we have a large theater that is available where we do things called IRE Talks, very similar to TED Talks. To my left here is the gym and the basketball gym, as well as a workout gym. This area is, as I said, shared with Mesabi Range College. You'll see some of their logos and graphics in this hallway. The Mesabi Range College has their student services to my right. This would be their main entrance along the right here by the windows. And on the left is the library. So there is a library on site that is Mesabi's, but we are also connected to our university at Mankato and have remote delivery as well through there. The area we're walking through now is the cafeteria. There is also a small restaurant that opens in these shut doors right now on the right. And there is a bookstore to the left that I just turned to look at right now. This area is shared with Mesabi Range college students, IRE upper division students, lower division students, and Bell students. So the Iron Range Engineering Bell program is a little bit different than our other programs. And this is the area that the Bell program is held. So this is a upper division engineering program where students come on campus for one semester and then work remotely for 2 years on co-op. The room where I'm walking into right now is the recording studio for our podcast. So when students are out on co-op working for industry, they still do seminar, but they do seminar in the form of a podcast. This is the professor office on the Bell upper division side. The project posters on the right represent projects that the Bell students who are on campus are up to. This office is the Facilitator Office, where our employees who help the students while they're on co-op manage their time, manage their professional and design learning. That's where they are housed. In the area on the right that I was not able to walk into as it was locked is the Terraces. Now I am walking to our learning conversation rooms, or essentially our classrooms for the Bell program. And that was Justin, one of our facilitators who I just walked by. And these classrooms are used for the on-campus learning, as well as a home base for students in the program.